Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I will show you step by step how to allow downloads from unknown sources on Windows 11. Sometimes when you try to install an application that does not come from the Microsoft Store, Windows might block it by default. This is a security feature to protect your computer, but if you trust the file you are downloading, you can change the settings and allow it to run. I will walk you through the entire process in a simple way so you can follow along. The first step is to go to the Windows 11 Start menu. Click on the Start button at the bottom of your screen and then select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, you will see a menu on the left side. From here, choose the option called Apps. Inside the Apps section, you will find a setting named Advanced App Settings. Click on it. Now you will see a section that says Choose where to get apps. By default, it is usually set to only allow apps from the Microsoft Store. To change this setting, click on the drop-down menu and select Anywhere. Once you choose Anywhere, Windows will allow you to download and install applications from outside the Microsoft Store. Sometimes you may also need to adjust a security setting in Windows. To do this, go back to the main settings window and choose Privacy and Security. Then click on Windows Security and after that click on App and Browser Control. Here you will see options under Check Apps and Files. If it is set to block, you will not be able to install apps from unknown sources. Change this to Warn. That way Windows will still notify you if it detects something unusual, but you will have the choice to continue the installation. If you are downloading files directly from a web browser, Windows Defender Smart Screen may also give you a warning. In that case, you can click on More Info and then select Run anyway, but only do this if you are sure the file is safe. It is always best to download software from trusted websites or official sources. By adjusting these settings, you will now be able to download and install apps from unknown sources on Windows 11. Remember that this should only be done when you are confident the file is secure, because lowering these restrictions can expose your computer to harmful software. That is the complete process. Now you know how to allow downloads from unknown sources on Windows 11.